Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubbers Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our VW up. So as you can see, 3-door in black. We do sell quite a lot of these. They're perfect first time cars or second cars, city cars. Some people have them and when they've got motorhomes and towing behind. They're cheap to run, cheap to insure. Although they're a small car, they're quite spacious inside. So I've just bought exactly the same one for my daughter. I got it a couple of weeks before this one came in, otherwise I'd have given this one to her. So it's done 44,000 miles. It's got service history with it. We've just put it through the workshop. Didn't need much, to be honest. A couple of bulbs and we put some new pads and discs on. There's a receipt for the cambelt, that's already been done. And as with all our cars, we're provided with 12 months MOT and the warranty, parts and labour. And you can have the option to extend that as well. So really clean in the boot as well. You normally find that people have thrown stuff because they're uncovered and all these panels are scratched. But it's really nice and presentable. Again, if you're looking at the VW up, the Seat Me or the Skoda Citigo, they normally corrode really badly. Certain ones either do it or don't. They start with a little rust bubble there, but if you look at some of them, they're really, really bad. Not sure why it happens, but this one's perfectly fine. We'll put all the details of the spec, etc. on there. So current mileage is 44719. Again, the interior is all clean and tidy as you'd expect with the age of mileage. So as always with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. This is just so people don't have a wasted trip. A lot of people travel a long way to look at cars. And I don't want anyone setting off for a car that someone else is already on their way for. We can also reserve any car with a small reservation fee. Full details are provided with that. As always, if you've got any more information, if you'd like to book a test drive, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.